a medium concave design. They have step lip, hidden hardware. I should have got some gold hardware for the back to match the brakes, but I don't care. It still looks awesome. Couldn't be happier with this. By 12 in the rear, 19 by 10 in the front, with a crazy low offset for the wide body. You know what I really like about these wheels? I like that they actually remind me of the Desmond Regamaster Evos. I didn't even think about that until I saw them. And I was like, yo, these look like 3-piece Regamasters. I love it. I love it. I can't get much better than that. So let's take them to match shop. We're gonna slam them on the car, do some last minute adjustments, and then we'll be getting everything finished. So we're driving back to the shop from Matt's shop right now. Instead of leaving all wheels there on the car so he can finish his job, we have more wheels than what we came with, because we got to take 2 back right now. We're going to take a front and a rear back, do the tires at my shop because his tire machine broke. Oh my God. So yeah, his tire machine broke, so we got to do everything at my shop. Hour each way, no big deal. I'm going on vacation next week, so I have to get this done like right now so he can deliver the car next week painted, and we can continue putting the motor and the turbo kit and everything else on, and also figure out what else we need, because we stole so many parts off this car while it was down. So yeah, we're gonna have some work cut out for us.
Not that much.
Well, Brett's gonna have some work cut out for him is what's gonna happen. So yeah, we're gonna get this up to him. Wayne said he's gonna take up the mounted wheels and tires tomorrow morning, so he can get them mounted on the car, do the final adjustments on the body, and then we'll be good. I wasn't expecting it, but hey man.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Gotta be at MPACT. MPACT is gonna be the debut. So yes. Whether it's going there, whether it's running or not, I'll tell you that.
Yo, the logos are gone.
All right, here it is, guys. The car is officially back from Topcoat Garage, and we are looking so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Good Lord. I'm gonna go get some, hold on. Come here. Look at the brakes in the front of here. They're making fun of me because I'm filming now, but check this out. This paint is just unreal. All right, we're gonna get it off the tow truck right now and get it in the shop and start putting this motor in. We got a long I think we got about 7 days exactly to get this thing prepped and ready for MPACT next weekend. So keep you guys in the loop. 24 hours, bro. Doing some finishing touches right now. I mean, the car's pretty much done. We're just kind of cleaning things up.
Yeah.
It's got to have the wing. It's got to have it. Look how it just completes the look. The rest of the kit is so aggressive. It has to have the wing. Yeah, the maiden voyage. Not going to be a drive around the block. It's going to be a 3.5-hour road trip. That makes me nervous. This is seriously the coolest car I've ever seen in my life. I keep on saying that, but it really is. Here we are. An hour into the trip. Started hearing some tick, 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 tick noises going on. I immediately thought it was a compression that I was hearing. Turns out I think that one of our direct injectors is leaking compression past the seal. So here we are at the Turkey Hill Experience, trying to reset this rail and hope to God that seals up. We're gonna find out soon. All the way here. So we're either gonna have to get somebody to come here with a new injector for the shop. It's 9 o'clock at night right now.
I got flies in my ear.
We have
The fly in your engine.
We're in a parking lot. The guy inside just told us we should probably get out of here soon because it gets real sketchy at night.
Shout out to Mike.
Yeah, shout out to
Clutch.
Mike from 1-to-1 Tuning. Meeting Wayne halfway for these parts. I don't know. Would have had to drive all the way back.